So finally decided to get a raised garden bed accompanied by Vegega. Hopefully I'm not butchering the name. This is a 9-in-1 17-inch high. This video I'm going to show you how I'm putting it together, and I also got a trellis that could go in the back of it. So I'm going to be running up butternut squash for this fall right now coming up. This thing is rust free for years. It's strong. It lasts up to 20 years. There was a lot of different colors which I love. The box came pretty small and it's definitely a little bit heavy, which means it's very compact, probably nicely in there. So wow, so I got the whitish one. Wow, oh, look, comes with the book instruction. Oh wow, really nice book right here, tells you everything. So we're gonna go ahead and take everything out. All right, definitely a little sturdy, heavy, good quality, nice. I love how everything was packed individually. So we got some screw and bolts there. Yep, screws and bolts in here. These are the rubber that goes on top of it, so you don't get, like when you're leaning over to plant your stuff, you don't cut yourself. This is one of the main reasons why I got this too. This was very good protection. And we have the other piece. So this is what's in the box. We get a couple pieces of those. We get a curved piece for the ends, and I got that, which is your protection from the top. We got the spool. We got these pieces gonna go in the middle to hold it, and then open up your book right here, your guide, and come to the instruction guide right now, and it will tell you step 1, remove, there's a plastic over it. Oh man, that's well protected. And then it tells you start connecting. See, that thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna peel out all the plastic. There's a tin plastic here that's protecting it right now, so gently just take your finger and remove the plastic. So I just wanted to show you the plastic. Look, it's really nice protection, not scratching or anything. All right, so the first thing what we're gonna do, these right here, these are the corner piece. So you're gonna put them over here, and you match the holes right there. So this is gonna be for one. This comes in 4 pieces. So this is gonna be one end, and the other 2 is gonna be the other section. So your washer and your bolt right there, and you got your screw. What to do? Make sure the holes are lined up. Both of them together. Pop the screw in. Place the washer inside, and then start screwing up with your hands. To get a star point screwdriver, which you put in your screw here, and then you get that tool to send you for free, and then you tighten it up like this. And don't tighten this up first. You want to make sure you go ahead and put the screw in all of them first. All right, so after we screw this part right here, we're gonna do the same to the other 2 over there coming up soon. I'll show you guys. Now what to do, you get these pieces. It comes with 8 pieces of this, so we're gonna put 4 on this side and 4 of the other side. And what to do, make sure your color matches outside, and same thing, you just put them right here, line up the hole, and same thing, just screw just like we did here. I wanted to show you guys how it's coming up right now. I already did 2 pieces on this side. We're gonna do 2 more, and then I got 3 on that side, and then I'm gonna do the curve just like that. But it's looking amazing so far. It looks so clean as we go on right now. It's not hard, it just takes a little while because of the screw, but it's very easy. And then when you come finally here, then the next step will be, like this, the corner piece one here, and then we're gonna put the other one there. But it's looking right now beautiful. So these 2 rods right here, I didn't put them in the first one. The first one is already holding strong. I put it to the second, and you can see strong, hold it in together. And then I did the same thing from here. I skipped the first one, and then I put it to the second one. So that's gonna hold it in real strong. This thing is amazing. You know, I actually regret not ordering one of these before. The next step now, we're gonna be putting this rubber. See right here, the groove. We're gonna be slip it in here right the way around easily. Right here, the difference. It's still smooth, but now with the rubber right here, this really helps a lot. So this company to use provide this rubber piece right here, this is a big plus, especially, you know, you're tilting over. This is definitely a big plus in my book right here. Love this right there, love it. It's like I just got a new garden toy. love this thing. This material is eco-friendly, it's safe for your garden and your plants and the environment. And as I said, it takes it's 20 years plus, really strong material. For the price, you can't go wrong. Check in the description box for more details and price to get your hand on this right here. Highly recommend this by GreenTGarden. I didn't even use it yet, but I highly recommend it because I'm telling you, not because I have it, because I put it together, I feel the material, I could see it, and I'm really impressed already. Very strong stainless steel, real same quality like the garden bed, and this thing should last about 20 plus year. Really strong, durable, and if you see like that, so we're gonna build this together, and this will be going with my garden bed. So as we unbox, wow, you can see how beautiful this is. The quality, it's really made well, you could see. So this thing is really strong, high quality for a good price. This one in the box, sorry about the colorful rug, as you could see all that. I got my dog, he's a big helper. So we have all, I like to separate everything so we know exactly, and that's all our screw and stuff. So I connect the two long piece, and then I connect the two second size and then the two third size. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start off with the two top piece, and then we're gonna put these big ones crossway. So they're gonna be coming looking like this. So right here, I did one, I did that, and all the long pieces. So once you get all the long pieces, all you have to do is just screw on the side pieces. With this, comes with the little Allen key, the little tool, all your screw right here. And we're gonna start with the first top piece. And what you do, you can see how the screws line up right here. So just line that up here and just put your screw in like that. I put the first piece together. You see, I started at the top, skip one hole, come, same thing, repeat right through. I'm gonna move this to a bigger space because we're gonna need a bigger space. I'm gonna put this on the grass now. Next step, we're gonna take these two longest one now, right here, and then start from the bottom height. You want to make sure you start from the bottom because remember they're all different height. Coming up to the top. So see that? We're gonna start from here, working our way up, and then basically the shorter one, same thing. Start from the bottom point. So running up there. This trellis is massive, which I love because need the space when you're planting butternut squash or whatever you decide to run in upward on this trellis. So we're looking beautiful right now. Only thing left is the curved part, which we're gonna be putting on the side, right there, and then these extra piece right here, these are the top. You're just gonna press them in from the top point right there. This baby is done. I'm excited. I love the piece how it from the side curve. It curves and it really holding on real strong. And this piece goes on the top right here. Literally just push them in. So amazing. I'm really excited. I'm really not happy with myself not to get this before. It's beautiful. I wanted to put it over there, but then I'm thinking it's gonna block the sun, so I'm moving it away from the garden and just bringing it right here. I want to get one more to come here so it looks more better and beautiful in the garden. But the quality of this thing so far is amazing, and it's so beautiful. I'm telling you, I'm in love with it, and I can't believe I should have done this a long time ago. So I can't wait to fill this up coming up next week, and I'm going to show you guys how I'm filling it up and how we're going to start transplant later on, and then get some butternut squash just running up. Winter squash coming out to fall time, so you got to make sure you start planting your fall crop. Check in the link in the description for more detailed price, and if you want to get your hand on one of these beautiful garden bed. And the trellis is a plus. So look at that, look how the trellis screws on right there. Look, everything was made perfectly for fit, and it's strong, it's sturdy. If it's definitely can handle wind, because we have a windy area here. So this is really, really good. I can't wait to get more and set it up and make my garden looks more beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. We got more videos coming up on GreenTGarden. Don't forget to like, subscribe. More videos coming.